In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up AM Tunnel VPN on your phone. So first, on your phone, head over to your App Store or Play Store and look for AM Tunnel. Then get it or start installing it on your phone. Once downloaded, open up the app. And once here, you can start setting it up. So allow any required permissions if prompt to. And on the main screen, you'll usually see server options or connection settings. So from here, you can start choosing a server. Some versions may also have a payload or quick settings, but these are often optional. And after selecting a server, just tap the connect button. You might also be prompted if you like to add VPN configurations. So all you have to do is press allow and it will then show that you are already connected, which means that your VPN is now active. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!